You what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. The very first thing what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and there are three methods to solve this issue. So the very first thing what you need to do is just tap here on your settings app, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and from here tap on password and security, and after that tap here on change password, and from here you have to change your Apple ID password. Give here your passcode for your IT device, and then here you have to enter your new Apple ID password and tap here on change, and your Apple ID password will be changed, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then next time what you need to do is just here sign out your Apple ID from here, and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on, and then sign in with your same Apple ID, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if the problem still exists there, then go for the second method. For that what you need to do is just again here open up settings app on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and then tap here on media and purchases, and then tap here on view account. And from here what you need to do is just scroll it below, and here is the purchase history. So tap on this, and from here you have to make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back. And then from here what you need to do is just tap on manage payments, and from here what you need to do is you have to update your credit or debit information here. Make sure that you have entered the correct information here, especially here CVV number and expiry date etc. So after you have done this, just go back here and tap on country or region, and then tap on change country or region, and from here you have to select your country from which your credit or debit card is made. Like I'm selecting here my country as United States, and here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them. So tap on agree, again tap on to agree to confirm the process, and from here you have to select your payment method. Like I'm selecting here my payment method at none, and here you have to give your billing information. You can put fake one as well here. So here you have to give your state. Like I'm giving here my state as California, and here you have to give the zip code or postcode for your state or city. If you don't know about the zip code for your state or city, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app, but in my case the zip code for the California is 90201. And here you have to give your phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then you have enter here information. Tap here on next, and tap on done. That's it. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. If all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, just here open up Safari browser, and then here tap on this search icon, and here search for the sport dot apple.com here. So tap on this, tap on now, and here what you need to do is just you have to select your device. What I'm selecting here iPhone, and from here you have to select. So scroll it below, and here is the option get sport. So here tap on start now, and from here you have to contact with your carrier. So find your carrier from here, tap on this, and from here you have to select your network. So after this you can solve your problem by telling them your situation. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.